Maybe even cross your hands and put them on your heart. And notice if you can tell whether your energy is bigger or littler, or maybe it's more balanced. Now bring your hands on your shoulders, push your elbows out to the sides, and turn to look over one side and look at the other, and twist your body at the ribs, breathing in on one side and out on another. So we call this washing machine, and we use this to squeeze the muck out. This is again helping to awaken the nerves and the fluids that are running along the spine, but it's also going to help with breath and digestion. It's helping to open up the chest and the front of the chest. There's a lot of baroreceptors and elements of our processing of our sensory experiences that run through the upper ribs and the neck. Good. And then slow it down. And coming back to center, take your hands, hold them there on your shoulders, take a big in, and breathe out and let your arms relax. And just take a moment to notice your breathing, to notice your body. Has there been any change? Do you have the same feelings you had before, or are they shifting? Your breath change. Do you feel like you have bigger energy or littler energy? If your eyes are closed, slowly open them.